leader. My name is Chia Yuh Mey, and they are my group members.
I'm Khoo Jia Yi.
I'm Soh Xin Jie.
I'm Norsyahira.
I'm Aziela.
I'm Carmen.
Assalamualaikum and a very good day. Today I am going to introduce our case study, which is a popular website online. Popular is an online bookstore that open for 24 hours, 7 days a week for the convenience of the shopper. Shopper can purchase any book from this online bookstore anywhere without going out to the bookshop. With ready stock title, customer who order books in popular online website from any part of Malaysia will receive the order within 3 working days.
In addition to their fast delivery service, the popular online website is the first ever online bookstore in Malaysia that featuring a preview function. Customers have the option to previewing the chapters of the books before deciding to purchase it.
In addition, popular online website also provide book ordering service for customers, especially those who wish to purchase book only available overseas. Other multi-level features of this portal include new book recommendations, pre-order service, and exclusive promotions and giveaways. All in all, the presence of this popular online website gives many advantages to those who like to buy books without the restrictions of time and areas.
Popular is recognized and listed by the Malaysia Books of Records as the largest bookstore chain in Malaysia. Customers can purchase any books or stationery from the website without going out, and this will ease the convenience to the customer. Popular website has provided different types of books like fiction, non-fiction, and general interest books in English, Chinese, and Malay language for the customer to choose for their interests. As Popular has provided different types of books in 3 languages, customers can pick, choose, and read the reviews or contents of the books that they are choosing or they are interested in before buying the books they want.
In addition, the popular website has provided the school textbook and the revision books for the students. The popular website also provided the magazines, stationery, multimedia, products, and CD for the customer to choose what they are needed.
The first functional requirement is that the system should allow the user to access to the website for the Popular. Besides that, the system should also allow the user to change the language to the language that they want when they access to the website of the Popular.
One of the functional requirements is that the system should categorize the items and the books based on their type to allow users to find the items they want more easily. Another functional requirement is that the system should allow the user to sign up as member in the website. The system should have returns and replacement service to allow and to show user how to return the items they have bought when there is a situation is also one of the functional requirements.
One of the functional requirements is the system should show the required price for the member, and for the another one, the system should enable the users to read the news and events about Popular through the website.
The functional requirement is the system should have the payment service to allow the user pay for the items that they bought. The other functional requirement is the system should have the delivery system to allow the user from all over the world to purchase the books.
For the first functional requirement, the system should allow the customer to place an order for one or more than one book. For second functional requirement, the system should display a menu for the book they sell. The book should display only those books which at least one unit in Popular's inventory.
first functional requirement is the system should display the price of the book clearly for the East and West Malaysia. For the next one, functional requirement, the system should display the promotion period for the book that they sell.
The first non-functional requirement is the performance requirement, which are the type for the product requirement. The performance requirement is that the response time of the system to the user's needs should be fast.
Security requirement is one of the non-functional requirements under product requirement. All network transactions that involve financial information or personal identifiable information should be encrypted.
Next non-functional requirement is availability requirement. The system should always available for the users to access. The type of the non-functional requirement is external requirement.
For the non-functional requirement, there is dependability requirements, which is the ability of the system should be trustworthy. The type for this non-functional requirement is product requirement.
One of the non-functional requirement is usability requirement, which is one type of the organization requirement that the system must be usable to the user for which it was designed.
Non-functional requirement is development requirement, which is one type of product requirement. It means that the system should be able to evolve to meet changing needs. The first user interface design is the user diversity. User diversity is the interface that has to come up with the appropriate interaction facilities for the various types of the system users. For example, some users may face the problem that they are difficult to read the text as the words provided are too small for them to read. So the system should allow the users to change the original word size to the largest word size so that it can easy for them to read the text. One of the examples for the popular online website is that you can choose the books that you like and interest in, and then click into the book that you choose. After that, you can scroll down to find the product information to read through the content in the books that you choose. And the original words for the contents are too small for some users, so you can change the original words to the largest size by clicking on the L button on the right hand side above of the table of the content. One of the user interface design principle is user familiarity. User familiarity means the interface should use the terms and concepts which are drawn from the experience of the people who are make use of this system. In other words, it means that the system interface should use the terms and concepts which are user-oriented as compared to the computer concepts. For example, the word fast, documents, and folder should be used instead of the word characteristics and all file identifiers. The popular online website avoid the use of computer jargon. For example, the word all departments is used instead of the word all characteristics because it's more easier for most of the people to understand. Besides, the design of this website uses the combination of both picture and text, so it will give the convenience and familiarity to most of the users regardless they prefer text or picture. And also the design of this website stated all their functions clearly and directly, which will make the user familiar with this website within a short time.
For user interface design, for minimal surprise, the people who design or create the software should create the software the way people expect. They should not surprise the customer. For example, popular website provide two languages, which is English and Chinese. So the people who come to the website is easy to choose it because the people who design the software and provide button on it. So it makes customer easy and not surprised.
User interface should be designed to match the skill, experience, and expectations of its anticipated users. User interface design principles underlies interface design, although not all principles are applicable to all designs. User interface design principles include user guidance is needed. User guidance such as online manuals and help system should be supplied. User guide or user's guide, also commonly known as a manual, is a technical communication document. It's indeed to give its assistance to user using a particular system. User manual should contain all essential information for the user to make full use of the information system. This manual should also include the descriptions of the system functions and capabilities, contingencies and alternate modes of operations, and step-by-step procedure for system access and use. Service or contractor help desk facility that the user can contact for error resolution should also include in the system. Help desk telephone number should be shown in the system. Popular online websites contain user guidance such as online manual and help service. The user guidance in this website is shown in the customer service. The customer service in this website include the descriptions of how to use the system. The user can know more about the system and how to use the system through the customer service. The manual shows the descriptions of how to buy or get started, registration process, purchase process, availabilities of goods and prices, popular member card benefits, transport method, payment method, refund or return service, and customer book or booking ordering. Customer service also show the contact number that the customer can contact for more information.
The user interface design principle is recoverability. That is, the interface should include the mechanism that allow the user to remove from their error. For example, the user are able to repair from their fault when they make mistake, and this only range from having the editions capability like the delete facility, remove facility, and review facility. Through the popular online website, the user can add the books into the shopping cart. If the user are add the wrong items or they don't want to keep the books in the shopping cart, they are able to delete and remove the items by clicking the X symbol. And after that, the item will be removed, and this will help the user to recover their fault.
For the user interface design, my part is consistency. The interface should be consistent in that wherever possible, comparable operations should be activated in the same way. The consistency will reduce confusion. For example, the button search and navigation always at the same position on every pages in popular online website. So
first of the type of application programming interface, which is API, is Twitter API. Twitter is an app that enables the users to interact with its data. For instance, tweeters and various characteristics about the tweets using the Twitter APIs. And the user has to know that a server-side scripting language for request the information to the Twitter API, and the results would transfer to the format or language that can make the system easily to read them. One of the examples in the popular online website is that the user can share the books through the website to their friends by clicking the icon that represents Twitter or other social networks as shown in the figure below.
The Google Map API provides the convenience to the user to find out the location of the popular bookstore. Through the popular website, the user can find out the location of the bookstore easily by a simply click on the map provided by the website, which can be redirected to the Google Map without wasting any time to open another new tab and type the website address of the Google Map to serve the address.
Security API, one of the most important components of online business is creating a trusted environment where potential customers feel confident in making purchases. SS certificate that provide in a popular website create a foundation of trust by establishing a secure connection to ensure visitors their connection is secure. Browsers provide visual cues such as lock icon or the green bar.
API, Application Programming Interface, provide a hook for third-party developers to access data and service to build application. An API is a type of technical communication between servers, and a payment API refers to technical calls that enable a processing of a transaction. Online popular websites contain payment API that enable the customer to make their order. Customer can refer to the user guidance to know more about the payment method. Customer can pay their credit card, debit cards, and online banking. Bank credit card acceptables are Visa, Master, and debit cards issued by Malaysians or Singaporean banks. Payment API in the popular online website allow the customer to pay through online. With this payment API, customers all around the world can make their order and pay through online.
Login API is an API that allows the user to log in an account by link to the other account, and the account can get the user information from the linked account, and the information given normally are names, profile picture, and age. Through the popular online website, the users are allowed to register and log in the popular account by link to Facebook account, so that the popular account can get the user information from the Facebook account.
API. Gmail API is API that can be used to access Gmail mailbox and send mail. For most web applications, the Gmail API is the best choice for authorized access to a user's Gmail data. Gmail API is used as the client library for your choice of language and an app that can authenticate as a Gmail user. Gmail will send message and update for the latest news, books, or the special offers.
The first type of API that we might improve is Cloud Natural Language API. Language is the method used by humans to communicate with others, either spoken or written, that contain of the use of words in a structured or some common way. The Cloud Natural Language API provides natural language that be as understanding technology to developer.
AI also as Chinese, English, French, German, Japanese, and so on. The Cloud Natural Language API can be improved by adding another type of language instead of Chinese and English language to the popular online website, so that the customer can easily read and understand the content given by choosing the language that they know.
The Google Map API gives the convenience to the user to find out the location of the popular bookstore. Through the popular website, the user can simply find out the location by a click on the map provided by the website, which can be redirected to the Google Map without wasting any time to open another new tab and type the website address of Google Map.
Google Map API can be improved by adding the satellite imagery and terrain map with color instead of only one original map, which is black and white. Satellite imagery can let the user to know the real map and see what the buildings or other things that have on the way they are going through. Terrain map with color can make the user not feel too monotonous and bold while looking at Google Maps.
The Gmail API is an API that can be used to access Gmail mailbox and send mail. For most web applications, the Gmail API is the best choice for authorized access to the user's Gmail data. Gmail API is used as the client library for your choice of language and an app that can authenticate as a Gmail user.
Gmail API in the popular online website can be improved by adding more language to the newsletter for the user to choose instead of 3 languages, which are English, Chinese, and Malay newsletter. By adding more language to it, this can make the user easier to read the newsletter by choosing the language that they are knowing well.
For the first comment is limited language provider. The aspect is validity. Does the system provide the functions which best support the customer's needs? Popular web page provide only 2 languages, English and Chinese at the main site. Sometimes it's hard for the people to access because they're not really fluent in English and Chinese.
Comment is application programming interface. System provide social media for sign up, but it is just for Facebook user. Some customer doesn't have Facebook account, so they find it difficult. Should provide more because sometimes customer find it hard to register by email rather than social media.
One of the comments in the popular online website is that online popular website did not provide the location map. Through the popular online website, the user can see that it does not provide location map for store locator, as it just provides the detail about the store locator. This makes the user inconvenient to know where the location are or the place are. The figure below shows that the store locator for the popular online website that does not provide the location map.
Of the first comment is provide more language. As we see, the popular website just provide 2 languages, such as the English and the Chinese. This will give the problem to the user who is not fluent in English and Chinese to access the popular website, so that the popular website can provide more language for the user to choose what language they want to see. This gives the convenience to the user to know the popular website, and they can easier to see, select, and buy the product on the popular website.
The suggestion for the second comment is adding more type of social media that can be linked to the popular online website. For instance, the social media like WeChat, WhatsApp, and others can be added decided to link to the popular website so it will give the convenience to most of the people, because there are many people, especially the elders, are not familiar to the Facebook, or some of them don't even have a Facebook account, because most of them maybe use other social media like WeChat. And also, besides that, the popular online website can add the function to log in with the phone number. So we do not have to memorize the password, and we can simply log in by entering the PIN number sent to the handphone. And also it's actually more secure than log in with the email and other social media.
In addition, popular online websites also provide food ordering service for customers, especially those who wish to purchase food only available overseas. Other multi-level features of this portal include new food recommendations, pre-order service, and exclusive promotions and giveaways. All in all, the presence of this popular online website gives many advantages to those who like to buy books without the restrictions of time and areas.
What is API?
API is an interface that enables control interaction between software programs of the website used, and it is also the way for the developers to communicate with the system.
What is no functional requirement?
It is constrained on the service and function offered by the system, and is often applied on the system as a whole rather than individual feature.
Is the user interface design important?
User interface design is important because poor design interface may cause the user to make catastrophic errors, and also this is the reason why so many software systems are never being used.
What is actually functional requirement required?
Functional requirement required on what a system should do. It depends on the software developed. Functional requirement will describe the system in detail. So, what is type of API?
There are many different types of API for operating system, websites, or applications, such as Google Map API, Gmail API, Security API, and so on.
What is a requirement? It may range from a high-level abstraction statement of a service or of a system constraint to a detailed mathematical functional specification.